Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to fix your heating problem in your Poco C71 smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. If you are playing games while charging, you have to stop it. It will damage your phone by heating and excess of heating, so you have to just stop it. Then friends, you have to just release some storage in your files by Google. Like you can see here, it is downloads, videos, documents, images, and apps. You have to just delete unwanted apps that are not in use, unwanted photos and videos, so it will clear your storage also. Then friends, third step, you have to go to the system app updater and you have to update if there is an update. You can see it is a app update or system update. You have to do it and turn off auto update, so it will not heat your device automatically. Then friends, you have to go to the Play Store and click on this, and you have to complete the downloads from here. And then friends, go to this, then click on settings and you will see network preferences. You have to turn off auto update from here like this, and it will also fix your problem. Then friends, you have to restart your device and turn off background data from apps. Like click on apps, click on see all apps. You will see there are lots of apps. Just click on this, click on Wi-Fi data usage and turn off background data, so that the app will not use in the background, and so it will not heat your smartphone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.